Exceptional good. Best hotel for Tateyama Kurobe Alpine Route travelers. We booked this hotel with very good price few months ahead before knowing the confirmed opening date, April 15th, of the Alpine route. It had the best location to catch the bus to Okazawa and the train to Nagano. We had email communication with the hotel about the booking details of the Alpine route. They were very helpful to provide valuable direction to find out the information. Unfortunately, the web ticket on the April 15th was sold out in a few minutes. We could only book April 16th. This hotel was fully booked. We also ran short a day on the trip plan. We emailed the hotel about the situation and requested to store the luggage to April 16th evening after checking out on April 15th morning. The replied email reassured us. We enjoyed the relaxed stay on April 14th/15. We visited Hakuba, enjoyed the dinner in the hotel, soaked in the onsen, hot tub, to relax. Surprisingly, the onsen hours are very accommodating for traveler, open to 2 a.m. The hotel was very empathetic to our situation. They let us store the 2 suitcases on April 15th first and allowed us to add on 1 more suitcase on April 16th at 5:30 a.m. They stored the suitcases in a locked cart that were very safe. We highly recommend to book this hotel for a few days in advance to get the best price and the flexibility because the Alpine route weather could be unpredictable. Traveler could buy the Alpine route ticket after arrival at Okazawa station and do not need to buy the web ticket. There were so many sightseeing spots along the Oito train line that gave the options when the Alpine route had suspension of service. Like our situation, we could take the rides to Murato but not able to go out to view the snow wall because of strong snowstorm. Tateyama trip everything was great but only weather stopped us to Tateyama. Likely to stay this hotel if we go see snow wall. Perfect detail everything is fine. Very good stay. One of the best hotels we stayed during our trip. We were happy with everything. Supermarket is near, free parking, good breakfast, nice room, courteous front desk. Definitely recommended. Great space for relaxing. Onsen was great and room was highly serviceable. Exceptional best choice for transit before going to Alpine route. Very strategic location.